Are you ready to start making smarter property investment decisions? I am Kate Hill, qualified property investment advisor, full-time investor, and I am here to help you cut through the noise with some honest, no hype advice. If you want real strategies, real tips, zero fluff, it's me, you're in the right place. Today, I am revealing why the new build properties are gaining traction among investors in 2025. So let's face it, I've been talking about this for years, I feel like it. Property investing in 2025 isn't exactly a walk in the park, with rising property costs, rental reforms, constant talk of housing shortages. It's real. It's no wonder that investors feel uncertain. But there is one strategy that is quietly gaining momentum: new build properties. These aren't your cookie cutter homes of the past. Today's new builds are smarter, they are more efficient, they often offer better returns than their established counterparts. Does it sound too good to be true? Let's break it down. Say goodbye to renovation fatigue. Have you ever bought a place and found yourself stuck elbow deep in paint, plaster, plumbing nightmares, and the necessary upgrades that you may not have been anticipating? New builds eliminate all of that. Everything is brand new, obviously, and up to the latest building codes, walls, wiring, even the toilet seat. Now that means that you have zero upfront renovation costs and fewer unexpected expenses in the first few years. Built in today's standards, not yesterday's shortcuts. Regulations range and change, and older properties often fall short. New homes are compliant with the latest safety, accessibility, energy requirements. Think smoke alarms in every room, efficient insulation, and those non-negotiable building codes. You're getting a home that meets modern expectations, and that's a good thing for you and your tenants, and it should last you for many, many years. Tenants love shiny and new. It is no surprise that tenants will choose a sparkling new home over a dated, creaky rental, even if they do have to pay a little bit more for it. New builds tend to attract better quality tenants who are willing to stay longer, treat the place with respect, and pay consistently. Now that is a win-win for cash flow and peace of mind. Claim more, pay less, to the ATO of course. One of the investor smart benefits of new builds is depreciation. You can claim deductions on the building structure and all those beautiful shiny new fixtures and fittings that you can't do with established property. It's like having your investment quietly pay you back come tax time. And sometimes it's not so quietly, it's quite a chunk of money. How new beats old in the tax game. So compare this to an older property where much of the structure and many, if not all of those fittings are already fully depreciated. You're no longer eligible. With the new build, you are maximizing those early tax deductions, and that can seriously boost your after-tax returns, especially in the first decade of ownership. Energy efficiency is not just a buzzword. New builds in Australia must meet minimum energy rating standards. Many go beyond that, offering smart lighting, solar-ready roofs, water-saving taps, energy-efficient heating, cooling, blah, blah, blah. So that translates to real savings for tenants, and it makes your property far more attractive in a tight rental market. Less energy, less expense. Energy-efficient homes also mean fewer complaints, maintenance issues down the line. Better insulation means the tenants aren't cranking up the aircon 24/7. Better appliances mean fewer breakdowns. Lower bills make everyone happy, and longer leases become more likely. That saves you money in the long run. Many developers don't build in the middle of nowhere. Well, not usually. Most new build developments are strategically located in growth corridors. So think expanding suburbs, commuter belts, and regional hubs that are seeing really strong population growth. Where people are moving, homes are being built. So we help you choose the best growth locations, of course. So this makes the hunt for a great site a lot easier for you. Government dollars follow the growth. So here's that kicker. Big government infrastructure tends to follow or even precede new developments. New roads, rail extensions, schools, shopping centres, hospitals, they are all signs that location is set to boom. Buy in early and you're already sitting on a future gold mine, or at least a very solid performer. Now let's be clear, the elephant in the room, not every new build is a good investment and many people overpay. Buying in an oversupplied suburb or paying too much for cookie cutter homes that have been slung up in 10 minutes, that have no owner-occupier appeal, that can hurt your returns. But with the right advice and guidance from yours truly here, of course, the right location, the right builder, someone trustworthy, and a solid strategy, new builds really can offer exactly what investors need in this decade. Strong rental demand, great tax breaks, low maintenance, and long-term upside. What is not to love? So if you've been sitting on the fence, maybe it's time to take a fresh look at the new builds. Not as a fallback plan, but as a forward-thinking move in a very complex market. You can start with as little as $650,000 for that project cost, plus costs. As always, everybody, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, I do appreciate it. And I will chat to you all soon. Bye.